Check it out. So icy. You know that Blizzard dog tag. I just switched the chain on it, but it is still the same Blizzard dog tag, you know. For that quick $20, Hip Hop Bling will set you straight. I haven't made videos in forever, so I'm back with the video, you know. I got a few things up in here. Got that bracelet. You know. Bracelet. We're doing a big Hip Hop Bling back. Added jewelry promo. So you know what's up. Just giving you guys a look at that dog tag. It's been on their site for a pretty long time, but you know, some people just started going to these websites, so give them a view of some or whatever, make some new videos for them of some shit so they can check that out. Won't be too behind on updates. You know, I got a few things up in here. To tell you the truth, I got a few things right there. Shit, I mean, it all depends on how much we try to make it snow up in this bitch. Black. Oh yeah.